Today I would like to share one of the keys of having a deeper relationship with the Holy Spirit with you. And that key is intention. What do you intend? Do you intend to use Him for yourself, for people to see, or anything like that? Or do you intend to be used by Him? That is a key. And if you are not sure what your intention is, ask Him to show you what your intention is. And then, when it is not to be used by Him, for Him to get more of you, to be used by Him, for Him to fill you more, because if you believe in Jesus, the Holy Spirit is in you. You don't have to get Him, you have Him. If your intention is to submit your life to Him, if it really is, you have to be really, really honest with yourself, firstly, and with Him, secondly. Remember, He can see your thoughts, He can see your intentions. Ask Him, Lord, show me my intentions. And then, when He has showed you, ask Him to change it so that He can use you.